Something I can admit to is that I'm an amateur bartender. The main reason why I started this channel was to improve my skills over time. And back when I originally made my Manhattan video, I managed to break one of the cardinal rules of cocktail creation that I need to rectify. I could tell you about this, but I'd rather just show you. If there's one thing I've learned over time, and certainly that video, it's that you never shake a cocktail that doesn't have citrus in it. And the Manhattan is to always be stirred. So for today, I'm gonna make this right, and I'm going to improve on the ingredients that I originally used and make this drink even better. So let's head to the bar and make this. For this cocktail, you're gonna need bourbon, sweet vermouth. In this case, I'm using Antica formula, and it's one of my absolute go-to quality sweet vermouths. And lastly, you're gonna need Angostura Bitters. As for garnish, I'm going to be using maraschino cherries. And the tools I need for this drink are a mixing glass, a long stirring spoon, and a Hawthorne strainer. Everything I use in my bar, as well as in this cocktail, are linked in my description, so don't hesitate to pick up any bar essentials you might need. Starting with the mixing glass, add in 2 ounces of bourbon. Now it's time to add in 1 ounce of sweet vermouth. Lastly, add 2 dashes of Angostura Bitters. Now add ice to the mixing glass and stir for about 20 to 30 seconds. Strain everything into a coupe glass. And lastly, garnish with the maraschino cherry. And there you have it, the Manhattan. Cheers. So good. I really can't overstate it enough that the quality in your sweet vermouth really does matter, since that's the one ingredient that really shines through. You can have good bourbon, you can probably even get away with having like bottom level bourbon, but if you cheap out on the sweet vermouth, this drink is really busted. So I really do recommend going with a higher end sweet vermouth and really just complement it with any bourbon you really like. Either way, no question about it, this drink is a favorite of mine. Easy to make and will always impress people because this drink has just so many complex flavors. Regardless of what I think, I'd love to hear your opinions. Do you like this drink? Do you believe that quality does matter? If so, let me know. And additionally, please consider hitting that subscribe button as well as the bell to be notified of upcoming videos. I put out new videos and shorts each week and the support means a ton. But until next time, cheers.